Here is the final shots from today's photo shoot. I absolutely love how this turned out. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created this image. I kept it really simple. I used a continuous key light with a softbox to get that soft, evil light on the products. And then I added a LED panel on the opposite side to fill in the shadows and balance the exposure. To add more depth to the edges, I placed a white foam board here to bounce back some lights, giving the products a nice clean outline. And finally, to get this beautiful gradient background, I used a flash with gels aimed at the white backdrop. I actually tried both purple and blue gels for these shots, but at the end I chose the blue because it matched perfectly with the light pink of the product and its label, creating a very soft and cohesive look. This is the final edited image after retouching. I'll be sharing the full retouching process in another video soon, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see how I take it from camera raw to this final polished photo.